Good morning and welcome to another Park Cove construction update. We've had good building weather and good progress on site. Our Park Cove Eastern villas are preparing for their second level on the waterfront villas, and we have over 70% of our slabs laid. With Park Cove Villas Stage 1, they're due for completion at the end of June, with landscaping having commenced, driveways being completed this week, and detailing to our feature community pool also being completed. We've also excited to announce the completion of our Sickle Avenue upgrade and footpath connectivity to Sickle Park next door as well. So it's an exciting time to be at Hope Island. There's a lot happening at Park Cove, so please pop down to our sales office. It's open 7 days at 23 Sickle Avenue. Look forward to seeing you.